Parkin here once again. Last time I left you off with saying I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do for this episode, and I kind of figured out what I'm gonna do. After I left, let's see here. After I left last time, I let it run for like a half hour, so nothing is in here. Like the only everything's processed, no ores, nothing's making right now, and I decided that I'm going to move all these connectors over to here because I kind of need to bring this out and then over and move the med bay somewhere else too, just because I need to leave this able to get in, otherwise I just form it like that. The reason why I'm doing this, I don't remember if I said it or not, but these assemblers aren't working together because they're not piped in directly together, they're going through the cargo container. So I need to do that, connect them all up so they can work with each other. And then the reason why there's going to be 3 connectors is I'm going to work on another miner. This one is alright for starting, but I think it's just that I'm not getting enough ore to be able to finish this, and I have to constantly keep breaking and breaking and breaking to collect ore, which is you gotta do that. But if I can just go mine a whole bunch of ore at once, use use what I have to make a miner, so I can grab a whole bunch, so I can eventually just basically have a bunch of ore processing while I'm building, instead of having to stop every so often when I run out of stuff. Then that way I don't have to keep going and I can just keep building. So with that being said, I have a little projector here. I'm going to make my projector module. I'll cut after I have it all lined up and the skeleton built. And then after I have my projector module, I'll hook it up to one of these and then just print the ship off the side of it. So I can still use that for welding and whatnot. So I'll bring you back once I have these done and the projector module all set. Alrighty. Um, I got the projector module over here. It's kind of crudely done because it wasn't meant to have a connector on it. So, but basically, that's the top. This is the bottom. I would have put the connector on the bottom, but I have a reactor here, and I don't know where I'm gonna actually store this projector module for now. So I'm just gonna probably leave it right here. I got all these moved. I'm about. You don't see this. You don't see this. Okay. I turned on the welder and it killed me, but I was nowhere near it. So there's my other body. And there's my welder. Okay. But basically, now I'm gonna route this over here. I don't know where I'm gonna put this med bay. I might just turn that into a 6-way connector like that and put it on the other side. Which is, yeah, it sounds like a good idea. So let's do that. Alrighty. Oh, this is gonna take forever then. Alrighty, I'm back again. I guess making this ring around did absolutely nothing. So I'm guessing the assemblers have to be like butt up against each other. So for now, I'm just gonna leave the ring. Say fuck it. It's all connected doubly for right now. Whatever. Later on, I'll figure out what I'm doing. I might throw the batteries in this like section here instead of on the floor, and then or maybe the oxygen tanks right there. For now, it's just gonna stay like this, and then I'll just like later on make like a little smaller section like back here or something, and just link up like 10 assemblers and call it good. But now, on to making this my miner. I'm sorry, I keep coming back and not finishing the miner project, which I said I was gonna do. But basically, what I'm gonna do now is finish this miner, or get this miner at least started. And then next episode we will finish it and we'll go out mining and bring a whole bunch of stuff over here. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna cut again. I know I keep leaving you, but instead of you seeing me fiddle around with stuff like this, I figured it would be more enjoyable to cut it up. So I'll be right back. Alrighty, so now just load it up and we'll start building this thing. Let me zoom in here, see if I can get in here. Back up a little bit forward and yeah, that should be good. Alright. Alrighty. Now we're good. We're getting somewhere. I just threw this miner together in creative, and I was like, I really need a miner, so I wasn't gonna build one from scratch and have you watch. It took me probably hour and a half to make this miner, just fleshing out this stuff. Alrighty. Oh. Alrighty. It's been probably about a hour since I came back. Or since I was here last. I finally got it done. There was some complications for some reason, like the welder wasn't welding it, so I had to go through and start everything for it to weld it when it welded the blueprint. I just had to knock off that projector at the bottom there. Probably put it in somewhere else if I can fit it somewhere. If not, whatever. But other than that, yeah. I got a mining chip now. And I'm gonna park it, end the episode here, and next episode we will go out mining because I use a shit ton of resources making this thing. So, I'll see you guys in the next episode.